Dude, you're the corniest. To put a symbol to your own horn again, and you'll be accordion. Sun, I shine, but your jewelry the stormiest. Shoes red or blue, and then me, you and Morpheus chill in the Matrix. I feel like I'ma take this. Kick me sign and stick it right to your faces. Never will you see the kid with erasers. Tight like the border at a military bases. Speaking of which, I put my knee to nose. Leave steam where you bleed, cause the streets is cold. When the eagles heat explode, he expose all the leaky flows of you weaker hoes. And speaking of those who doubt the kid, coke flow off the top like a powder wig. I was taught to teach a man how to fish, but I'm finna start with the sharks, kick 'em out of the ship. Mastered the craft of lyrical symmetry. Turn rappers to ash like they live in a chimney. Lag all the math cause they bad with the chemistry. Whack on the track what they haven't considered me. When I am around, sense crack in the vicinity. Make this beat my bitch and then I snatch her virginity. Passion for rhythmy, literally maniacal. Hot like a part of the flame where the fire flew. I'm too ahead of my time, my brain calibrates with some of wits and predicts just how great my next line will be. Not talking grade wise, letters never afraid of heights, they stay high. Everybody has heard about the fly bird. Opie on the mic for you Family Guy nerds. Damn it, I perfected the track, sizing you up and I reckon you whack.